or he's not like you. You don't got it back. 13 years down the road, could be everything that you want, but right now you're breaking down. You're happy now that he's on the ground. And do you realize the words you say, who's it up to? Maybe now that you're falling down, and you're thinking that it won't be, 'cause you said something's wrong with him. Are you happy now? I heard that it was done to you. Is that why you do what you do? Well, that's no excuse, no. Felt like how to get what you want. Are you happy now that you brought them down? I don't think so. Are you happy now that they're on the ground? And do you realize the words you say, who's it up to? Maybe now that you